Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Typeform to Slack step by step clearly. First, open Typeform in your web browser. Log in to your Typeform account. Select the form you want to connect to Slack. Click on the Connect tab in the top menu. Scroll down to find the Slack integration option. Click on the Slack logo. You will be prompted to sign in to your Slack account. Enter your Slack credentials and authorize Typeform to access your workspace. Once authenticated, choose the specific Slack channel to which you want to send notifications. Select the type of notification you want to set up, such as form responses or new entries. Map the fields from your Typeform to the Slack message format. Customize the message that will appear in Slack if desired. Once you have set everything up, click on the Save or Activate button. Typeform will now send responses to your chosen Slack channel based on your settings. To test the integration, fill out your Typeform and submit a response. Check the selected Slack channel to confirm you received the notification. If everything looks good, you're all set. Your Typeform and Slack integration is now live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.